Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU4633. This is your 2.5-inch round rubber door stop. Let's check it out. Alright, so these are your 2.5-inch round rubber door stops used on many different applications, from trailer doors, RVs, to your house, to anything that you just need to put a little stop on from it getting damaged. You can use these on them. Made of hard rubber, and we'll just measure them out real quick. So the OD is going to be 2.43. The width or height of this guy is going to be 0.95, so almost 1 inch. And the center hole diameter is going to be 0.40. We always keep these in stock, so if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or just give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.